Kit's Coty House and the nearby Little Kit's Coty House are the remains of two megalithic long barrows. Constructed between 3800 and 3400 BC, these long barrows were used as communal burial places for early Neolithic people. Originally covered over in earth and chalk dug from either side of the long barrow, the stones that can be seen today mark the main burial chamber at what was then the eastern end of the long barrow. It is clear that not everyone in the Neolithic was interned in a long barrow, and so it is reasoned that long barrows were reserved for select individuals. Unlike modern burial or cremation, the people of the early Neolithic only interned particular body parts, such as the skull. The body after death was not then interned immediately, but was left out in the open to allow for natural degradation. What then happened to the rest of the bones, or indeed the funerary rituals of those not placed in the barrow at all, is completely unknown and open to speculation. A short way from Kit's Coty House is Little Kit's Coty House, also known as the Countless Stones. This group of, as far as I could see, 17 stones are the remains of a burial mound contemporary with Kit's Coty House. Neolithic people were semi-nomadic, and so did not live near to the long barrows all year round. When the long barrows were built, the surrounding land was forested, and so by building the long barrows on high ground and having them covered in chalk, they would have been visible in the landscape. In many cases, long barrows and the land around them remained in use as funerary sites into the Bronze and Iron Age. However, this does not seem to have happened here, and so what remains is wholly Neolithic.